Daniel Lee grew his cleaning business from $95,000 to $500,000 in revenue. Go ahead and hear the story, hear exactly how he did it.
Daniel, give us a little bit of your background because you have such a unique story, man. So explain background, what do you do? Get us up to speed, man, with Daniel Lee.
Hey, y'all, my name is Daniel Lee. I'm from Seattle. I am 26 years old. And so, kind of about my story, I'm sure a lot of the people who are watching this will have that similar itch. You know what I'm saying? From a young age, no entrepreneurs in my family, but from the moment I was 15, 16, flipping sneakers, involved in eBay resale groups, flipping signed Ariana Grande CDs. I have t-shirt company, and so various different things. This is probably my fourth or fifth attempt at a company, which the previous four all failed miserably, but this is the thing that I just kept on trying. And eventually one of them is gonna work out, and so I got on Twitter, yo, gentlemen, I started a cleaning company. This is how I did it, this is how much I made. I'll give it a try. That's what I thought. And here I am, sitting here in Vancouver, meeting with a bunch of like-minded people, 315K revenue later. And so that's kind of my story. Keep on going at it. Cleaning's what worked out for me.
Yeah, man. And you do interior cleaning, exterior cleaning?
Yeah, so what I do is I kind of run like interior house cleaning. Talk about maid service, almost. Talk about when people move out, they need their place cleaned out for the landlords, or Airbnb turnovers when a guest checks in. The place needs to be prepped for a new guest. Things of that nature.
Yeah, man. And what were some of the things you were dealing with, Daniel? Because I know for you, man, you were working at, I'm going to butcher this, were you working at, not Quest, where were you working?
Climate Pledge Arena. I kind of started the company at the same time, working two jobs, and eventually the business grew enough to a point where I was able to leave that job and be where I am today.
Yeah, man. What were some of the things, man, that you were looking at HSBC for some help initially? Some roadblocks in your way, man, that you were looking for, like, man, I just need an answer here.
Man, I think for a lot of people watching out there, I'm sure you guys resonate with what I'm about to say. It's like you've heard that story that, those stories of people who are like, dude, pay for the knowledge. And that's so valuable because, like, I mean, it's not a question of are you capable? Yes, I know you're capable, but like, at what cost does it come with doing it the hard way, the long way, grinding out 5, 6, 7 years of your life to learn things the hard way? Whereas if I can pay my way to the top and accelerate that timeline and cut it in half by 50%, I'm doing that 12 out of 10 days of the week, or that's not of the week, but I'm doing that.
Yeah.
And so that's what I was looking for.
Oh, man. Okay. And I remember when we first spoke, Daniel, like, something that stood out to me, man, about you was, I was like, either this guy's messing with me or this is how Daniel is. And after meeting Daniel in person, this is how this guy is. It's just like this authentic care, almost like this silent confidence about yourself, man. And right to your point, everybody's capable, but this roadmap, knowledge, Hormozy talks about the ignorance tax. It's all these kind of things into place, man. So, Daniel, where did you fly in and where have you been the last 3 months? Because I know a lot of people, especially in the interior cleaning space, they want to kind of be where you're at. You're living a lot of people's dream. So where are you at, man? And what would you tell those people that are like wanting to be in your position?
That's a very good question, Landon. Literally in 45 minutes, I got to fly back to Cancun. And so I live in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. It's right by Tulum. That's where I live right now. Before that, for the previous 4 months, I was in Medellin, Colombia, living in South America. What I do is pretty much, I wake up in the morning, stroll on over 5 minutes to the beach with my laptop in hand, go run my cleaning business, sipping a pina colada on the beach. This is a daily thing, And so, man, like, that is my lifestyle. Like, I'm living in South America right now, learning Spanish and just experiencing life. And I run my business from there, all you need is a laptop and a Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
right? And so, man, this is a message to all the people out there, man. You guys are starting this journey of being a business owner, right? And this is something that this is like a limiting belief that I had. Like, dude, I would never be able to quit my corporate job, right? I can never live in Mexico on the beach while running my company, but however, this is what I do now. And my message to those people out there would be like, hey, everybody has different goals, but if your goal is to sip a pina colada on the beach while running a, couple $100,000 business, right, a year business, that lifestyle is possible. It's doable, and I'm living, breathing proof that you can run a cleaning company while living in Mexico, and so it's possible.
Yeah, man. Something that also stood out to me, Daniel, when you first joined, and I want to get to how you justified the expense, because we're not the cheapest program out there. We're pretty expensive. I get that question a lot. Where did you go, man? When we first spoke, you're like, Landon, I want to join, but I got to go do this thing that I had planned. What was that thing you had planned, man?
I mean, the thing that I had planned was really, in my mind, it was like that, again, going back to limiting beliefs. Like, man, this is a lot of money. Like you mentioned, you guys aren't the cheapest program. I think that's designed on purpose, because this program isn't meant for people who want the cheapest option. This program is meant for people who want to change their life, change their family for generations, make their last name mean something. Obviously, this is not the cheapest program. I wonder why. You got to ask yourself that question. This program's offering me this price. This program's priced over here. Why is that? Surely they must be doing something right? To have hundreds of people in this program vouching for this program. And so for me, yeah, it was a good chunk of change for me. However, for example, if you told me that I could put in $1,000 and come out with $100,000, right? Would you take that option? I'm sure a lot of people would. And so it's kind of that idea of fast tracking your way to success. Time is the most valuable resource on this planet. And so if you can, sure, we all have goals of making it to the top, but if you can cut that timeline in half, that's what you're paying for, that time that you'll never get back.
Yeah, man.
That's my lesson here.
Absolutely, dude. Last question, Daniel. One word. How would you describe HSBC? How has it impacted your life in one word?
The way that HSBC has changed my life, my family tree forever, is that idea of, before I joined the program, I was kind of this kid, kind of trying to figure it out, working hard, but not really having that sense of direction, right? And so what this program has allowed me to do is, when I first started this program, I was working a 9-to-5 corporate job every single day. And after 5 p.m., at 7 p.m., to get the business up and running, I'd be scrubbing toilets right after work until 9 p.m. to get this thing up and running. And so my story is, I was working those 2 jobs at the same time, not having time for family, friends, trying to get this thing up and running. And after joining the program, I live on a beach in Mexico. I'm able to travel the world and experience new things while my company runs without me, right? And so HSBC has really given me that structure, that know-how, that fast track to success for me to be at 26 years old, being able to live a life that many would dream of, right? And so it's the idea of mindset and exposing yourself to, oh my God, this is possible, right? And so the biggest thing that HSBC has done for me is being exposed to that guy who ran the 4-minute mile. Guys are doing 5-6 times the amount of revenue that I want to do while having children, while having a healthy relationship with their partner, right? And so that this program has given me exposure to guys. It's given me access to people that I want to be at their level. And once you see that this is possible, that's when things start. It's a roller coaster, man. Things start working out for you.
Yeah,
And
things
so
start
that's what this
moving
has done for me.
I appreciate that, Daniel. Daniel, always good to have you, man. It's so good to meet you, man. I appreciate your time, Daniel.
Wow, what an incredible transformative story. If you too want to take action in growing your very own exterior cleaning company, then I want you to check out the Get Off the Truck Accelerator. This is our private mastermind for owners that are looking to move from being owner operator and building a 500 to 750K exterior cleaning business that doesn't fully rely upon them. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.